Just us people asking people all day.
I think it's kind of funny. Dapper, dapper.
Hello everybody out there, it's Princess and the Bear here, or Robin Hood and Little John.
Walking through the forest, laughing back and forth with the other, have to say.
Oodie lolly.
Golly, what a day.
Yeah. So we're here at Dapper Day Fall 2018 at the first half of the day at Animal Kingdom. It's going alright so far. We've seen a lot of like good outfits, everybody dressed up. Not as many people as we would expect.
Lots of up.
Lots of up.
Dapper.
Whole lot of up. A lot of Wilderness Explorers.
Yes.
But it's really crowded here at Animal Kingdom. I'm not used to it being this crowded here, but
Saturday.
Everybody's having a good time. I'm getting a lot of questions like, why are you dressed up? Why are these people here in like their Sunday best?
A lot of people didn't get the memo.
No, they didn't. But Dapper Day 2018, and now we're off to Magic Kingdom.
That's highly unusual.
Aw, please, Sam? JJ, I could use a little help here.
Sure, Kermit. Let's put it to a vote. All those in favor of making Sam's story more entertaining, say aye. The ayes have it.
Oh, it appears democracy has spoken. All right, Kermit, you and your band of weirdos can help.
Okay.
But please, do it with dignity.
Oh, sure, Sam. We always do things with dignity.
Hey, Kermit, the all-chicken chorus is ready for their big number. The clock heard round the world. Get it, girls!
What? Just let me go.
No.
Too soon. Back to the dressing room.
Oh, Kermit! What part will Walt be playing in today's performance? Well, Piggy, this is a story about the founding fathers. There's no part for you. No part for moi? We'll see about that. Sheesh. Okay, places, everyone. Sam, JJ, take it away.
All right, friends, what do you say? Want to help us make history?
Excellent. Cue the patriotic music. The year is 1776.
1776.
We are in Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Say, why are you doing that?
Well, I'm the town crier.
Well, cheer up and allow me to continue. The year is 1776, and the Second Continental Congress has convened.
Roll call. Thomas Jefferson.
Hey-ho, Jefferson here.
John Adams.
Hey, that's me.
And the highly quotable Benjamin Franklin.
Ben Franklin here. A penny saved is a penny earned. And if at first you don't succeed, then skydiving is definitely not the sport for you.
Let's hear it for your founding fathers. Sam?
The delegates are discussing the question of America's independence from England, and there is much debate.
Hey, that's you guys.
Right.
debate.
Debate.
Point of view.
Opinion.
Says you.
Argument.
Point.
Counterpoint.
Order. I'll take 2 hot dogs with extra mayo.
A banana sounds appealing. Waka waka. Will you get on with it?
Okay, Sam. Guys, look, let's get down to business. Does anyone have any arguments in favor of independence?
I do. Our continued association with England has grown intolerable. King George has altered our government, enforced cruel repression, and abolished our rights.
Wow, nice job, Gonzo. How did you remember all that?
I stapled it to my arm.
Yeesh, that's gonna leave a mark.
Okay, now, does anyone have any arguments in favor of England and King George?
Boo! No King George! No King George! Come on, everyone! George! No King George! No King George! No King George!
Someone call Walt?
Piggy, what are you doing here? I told you there's no part for you in this show.
Of course there is. After all, who better to play royalty than moi? All hail King George!
Piggy, women aren't kings, they're queens.
Fine! All hail Queen Georgette! I protest! This is not historically accurate. The king was not at the Congress.
You got a bear playing Ben Franklin.
And doing a great job at it. Let's hear it for the bear.
Go Fozzie.
Go Fozzie! Go Fozzie! Go Fozzie!
Stop that.
Go Fozzie!
Guys,
Go Fozzie!
continue,
Go
please.
Fozzie! Go Fozzie! Oh, sorry.
King George, Queen Georgette, you are not a good ruler.
What?
Yes, you. You mistreat the colonists. You raise taxes.
You are drunk with power.
You might even say she's intoxicated.
Go on, Fozzie!
Queen Georgette, can't you see? The colonists are angry.
We are angry!
The colonists are irate.
We are irate!
The colonists are revolted.
We are revolting!
Say that again. We are revolting.
Sorry. Okay, it's time to vote. JJ, if you please.
Sure. All those in favor of declaring our independence from England and Queen Georgette, say aye!
Aye! The ayes have it. Let's declare our independence.
Queen Georgette, it appears you lose.
Wait, what? I lose?
Well, sure, Piggy. You see, in the American Revolution, England loses, which means the king, or the queen, loses.
Excuse me? It is I, Georgette Washington, and I cannot tell a lie. I look fabulous.
Piggy.
This is a travesty.
Nice outfit.
Enough of this nonsense. Can we please move on?
Sure, Sam. Now we need
A big
Piggy?
I want a case of rubber chicken.
Somebody say chicken.
no one said chickens.
Get it.
A trip to a farm.
Hey guys, now it goes for Piggy as usual, please. Right,
Guys, when Jefferson wrote the Declaration, it was more than a list of demands.
What? Oh.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it was about things we all believe in. Things worth fighting for. Things that inspired the birth of a new nation.
Gee, Kermit, what do you mean?
Well, like the Declaration says, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are
all together now, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Sam, why are you crying? I thought that was pretty good.
It wasn't good. It was glorious.
Hello, everyone.
Hey Sam, I guess now you're the town crier.
Just ring the bell.
Let freedom ring!
Great moments in history, the 4th day of July. Great moments in history, we said King George goodbye.
And here's what you all take away in all your minds and hearts.
Great moments in history, great moments in history, great moments in history.
American
Great moments in
part.
history, but just the American parts.
Thanks, everyone. We couldn't have done it without you. And to England, no hard feelings. You're still one of our best friends.
Thank you all for joining us today. You know, I'm feeling especially patriotic. I'm going to visit the Hall of Presidents.
I have bought seats.
Of course you do. Come along, everyone.
See you inside. I know you're all going to be.
That song is gonna be stuck in my head like all day now. Oh no. What have we done? Like What? Just put up the lights. And women in tights. Walking around defending the people's rights. Keep it going, keep it going. Women in tights. We're butch. We're butch. Is that a flummer? Is that a Monster Hunter shirt? Yeah. Awesome. Oh, there you go, Dapper. Miss Scoozy. Sorry, Rigatone. DiGiorno.
Thank you. Have a nice day. You guys.
A Noche Buena margarita with tequila, cranberry, lime juice, agave nectar, and lime foam with sprinkles.
And what are these things called?
Candy canes.
There you go. I don't know words.
Feliz
Ever.
Navidad. Hola. That's hello.
Wow, that's good.
Tangy, sweet, fruity. Hola.
I read my answer.
Christmassy? Yeah, I think it tastes festive. I like it. You can taste the candy cane, actually.
It's time to